Look how this man made killing Viking axe Whitholm made forging tools.
The Viking battle axe.
My name is Ryu Lim. I was born and raised in the Philippines. I'm an iron worker and I make blades for a living. The studio shop had everything, man. I got the bare bones, only the basics. My forge is drilled in the bottom where I attached a black pipe in the hair dry. Curious what the judges are gonna say, really. A battle axe doesn't have to be smooth and shiny. It just has to work. It doesn't have to be pretty to split skulls.
You are the Forged in Fire champion. Congratulations.